This is a recent project we completed in Phoenix, Arizona. In this video we show how we resurfaced the pool deck, including all the preparation work, how we repaired cracks, applied a skim coat, a texture coat, and painted the pool deck. We begin the preparation work by moving gravel a few inches away from the deck. To protect the water in the pool, we run the tape just below the deck, sticking it to the tile, and then we tack the plastic underneath. This pool deck not only has many cracks, but it also has several areas where the deck is chipping and the paint is peeling. We use the 7-inch diamond cup wheel and a grinder to remove any loose paint and material. For the edges of the pool deck and hard-to-reach areas, we use the 4.5-inch diamond cup wheel. We needed to install new expansion joint caps all around the deck, because the old ones were broken. We used the 4.5-inch diamond blade to cut through the concrete, creating enough space between the concrete and the plastic to insert new replacement joint cap. The next step is repairs. We repaired cracks and any areas where the concrete had chipped off. The first thing we did was use a chisel and a hammer to remove any loose material inside the cracks. Then we used the leaf blower to remove any small particles and dust, followed by power washing and rinsing of the deck. We mixed the repair material in a 5-gallon bucket, then poured it into the cracks and spread it evenly with the putty knife. The material we used is called Excel Surfaces Cream Texture. Any excess material was removed using a wet sponge. If the crack is large, it cannot be fixed in one pass, so we repeated the process several times until the crack was no longer visible. After finished with crack repairs, we sanded all repaired areas using 40 grit sandpaper. Next, we installed the replacement joint caps for expansion joints. First, we placed the cap on top of the old one without any glue to ensure it fit properly. Then we cut it to required size. Afterward, we applied the glue to the inner part of the cap. And in this case also to outer edges, because the original cap was so damaged, there was almost nothing left for the new cap to stick to. To prepare the pool deck for texturing, we covered the patio and anything that could be oversprayed with plastic and paper. The ground next to the pool deck was covered with tarps. Before applying the base coat of decking material, we sprayed the bonding agent first around the edges and then on the main part of the deck. We mixed the decking material in a 5-gallon bucket, poured it onto the deck, and used the rubber squeegee to spread it evenly. Once dry, we scraped the deck to remove any rough edges and sanded it using 60 grit sandpaper. After sanding, we applied another coat of bonding agent. Now the deck was ready for texture coat. We applied the texture using a 2-gallon texture gun hooked up to an air compressor. Then we used the trowel to knock down the texture. Before applying the decking material, we taped off new expansion joint caps that we installed. Afterward, we removed the tape using a tiny wire brush, some water and a blade. We used the leaf blower to remove any dust, apply the coat of bonding agent, and the pool deck was now ready for painting. First we sprayed the edges, followed by the main part of the deck. After the first coat had enough time to dry, we applied the second coat around the edges of the pool deck using a brush. We then removed plastic from the water as it was no longer needed and applied the second coat of paint using a roller. Now this is the look of the pool deck before and after.